Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Green. If you're new, you're totally welcome. So today I'm going to be trying out a makeup artist's detailed eyebrows. Yes, her name is rosinasharon and I've been following her for a while and I like her, so I decided to try her look. So hopefully if she watches this, I hope she likes it too, and I really hope I nailed it. So we're going to be going into the video. Yes, and she used the Davis eye pencil, which is this, the color 3 of the Davis eye pencil. She lined her eyebrows from here so I started from here because this is the actual place you should start, and also do not draw past your angle, the angle of your eyes. Yes, just so it doesn't look so weird or look very dramatic. So after doing that, she also did something like this. She used this kind of brush, or she used a mascara brush, but I'm using the I'm using this brush to actually brush my brows up. Yes, so I'm going to carve my brows, comb them down just to give me the shape that I want and make it stand out. Yes, so I went over the upper side of my brows and I've shaped it to the shape that I want, carved it properly. Now I'm going to fill in the brows, tiny hair-like strokes. By the way, my brows are actually very thick, so it's going to look a bit thicker than hers initially. Yes. So she used this, a bar soap. I'm going to use the brush to smear on the bar soap and paint my brows. Gives it more definition and it makes it stand out, makes it very smooth actually. Yes. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually looking a lot like hers. So after doing that, I'm going to draw the other one. By the way, I'm left-handed, so I use both hands. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to my other brows. Good. So now I'm going to use the tail or the body of the brush to paste it in and make it to lay down. I'm going to also do the same thing to this part. Good. Now I'm going to go back in with the eye pencil and draw hair-like structures just like that. So if you want to fill in the brows, you just draw sparse hairs. It gives it more of a natural, bushy kind of look. Good. As you can see, it's actually turning out well. Yes. So the next step is going to be to use an angled brush, this kind of brush. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to use it to clean up my brows. I'm going to clean up my brows. Anyone getting this right? So I'm using a little amount just so it's not a lot of trouble for me to clean out. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and line the top part of my brows. Which is going to be very faint. So I'm going to be using the concealer. Meanwhile, I'm using an LA Pride concealer. I'm going to use it to clean out the upper parts of my brows in order to give it a more finished look and make it super smooth. Okay, so guys, I am done. I'm done doing the makeup or the brow tutorial, and I can say it actually turned out well. Well, it can be the same. Brows are twins, not sisters, so it cannot be the exact same. Yes, so please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.